Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla haba jubab halor ke Jingkeli ke Jingshahkem jo kinong snong ke Jylla ha ki Pulit Assam ha kini ki khendiat sngi ulong ba kamde ke Jingïakajia Khappud hendai ke de na ki wei ki daw ulai thu ba ka don ke jingbam ya song thu jingmut ha ka snong ha ka ba na ka lang ka snong kala dan kuna kumba 8,000 tingka syakita ki Briew barhadian ba kini ki Briew kila syak dan kuna ha ka snong kila lei ban ujor se ki Pulit Assam ba de halor ka ni ba ki Pulit Assam kilawan kem no yaki ulai thu ru bana kalyang MDC ulai ban pan jamin no na ka benta ka jongki.
It's not really a border dispute. It's a very complicated case. There were some decisions that were there taken internally. This is as far as I know. I cannot completely say that it's the correct information, but this is the reports that I have received. There were some incidents where some understanding within the village had been there regarding some concerns of development work. And because the process did not move in a certain manner that the village had decided, there was some fine that was imposed on certain people. Now when those fines were imposed, those people on which the fines were imposed, they went and complained to the Assam police at that point in time, and based on that complaint that they had been fined and 2,000 rupees or something was taken from them, the Assam police had acted. So that is what the information is. But as we speak, I'm told that the local MDC has gone and has moved for bail, and I think the process is on.